Good morning to all. In this video, we will see how to construct the Turing machine for incrementing a unary number by 1. Now, first question is, what do you mean by the unary number? So, it is just similar to binary number or decimal number. In binary number, 2 digits are used. In decimal number, 10 digits are used. Similarly, in unary number, only one digit is used. Okay, unary number, only one digit is used to represent the number. For example, if 2 is represented in decimal number, then in unary number it can be represented by drawing the symbol 2 times. Okay, so we will use, suppose here the digit as a 1. Okay, this symbol, you can use any symbol here, you can use any extra sign also. Okay. Then if I want to represent 5 in decimal number, then it will be represented this way. Then our aim is to construct the Turing machine to increment a binary number. Now let's take the input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the tape. Now we know that after this input and before this input there are the blank cells on the tape. Okay. Now here pointer is initially here at the leftmost end. Then it will read this 1. It will be move. If you move this to right side, then it will read this 1, then this one will be read, then this one, this one, this one. When it comes to rightmost end, so this one is the first B at the rightmost end. So just convert this into 1. Just convert this into 1. Now if you convert this into 1, now you will get here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop the procedure here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 ones will be there. That means we incremented the input by 1. Okay. So here with the help of this logic we can construct the transition diagram. This is very simple example. The transition starts at the Q0 state. Okay. Then we want to read first one and keep the as it is first symbol. Move pointer to R. At least one must be there. Okay. So that's why we have taken it separately. Later on we can take the self loop for the remaining ones. Then so it will read this one, all the ones up to this B. When B will come, just convert it into 1 and stop the procedure. Stop procedure के लिए हम यह use कर रहे. Now come back to the finals. Come to the final state, that is Q2. You can rename this Q2 as Q accept halt. Okay, or simply Q accept also. Okay, I have shown here a double circle. That means this is the final state. So here the string is accepted. Okay, this is the Turing machine to increment the unary number by 1. Now see the another example. Turing machine to perform or to compute addition of two unary number. Now here we have to consider the input as a 2 unary number and the result will be its addition. Okay. Now this one is again the simple one. I will explain the logic first. Okay. Now if the input is, suppose input we have this is nothing but function a comma b is equal to a plus b for the unary number. Now if input is 2 comma 3 comma 2, that means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This will be the input. Okay, this will be the inputters and we want to convert it into 5. Okay, this is the result of this addition. Okay, now let's take here input, suppose 1 1 1, this one is the first input, then plus this one. Okay, now consider here input tape Here we store the first number plus this is the first number plus sign, this is the second number. Okay, now you in this two number you can use the any separator. Here as the addition function is asked, so we will use the plus sign. If multiplication is asked, then we will use the multiplication sign. Subtraction if asked, then subtraction sign we will be using there. Now here, now we have to convert this tape configuration into this one. What is the result of this one? 5. So we want to convert this into this structure. 1 2 3 4 5 in this structure. Okay, now how we can convert this one? Okay, here 3 ones are already there. If we convert this plus into 1, okay, this plus into 1, and then again keep moving to right, read the second number completely, come back to this blank, and again take the reverse action, reverse direction, and convert this 1 into blank. See how it we will get here. Now here this one, read the complete first number as it is. Read the first number as it is. Okay, so 1 1 1 will be there. Then first number as it is. Okay, what is the logic? First number as it is. Then convert plus into 1. Now convert this plus sign into 1. Again move to R. Direction is R. Then second number as it is. Again read the second number as it is. Okay, this one will be as it is. This one will be as it is. Okay, now it will come to B. Okay, when B comes, change direction. Now it will be now L. Okay, and the first one whatever you are getting there, okay, first one convert it into blank. Stop. First one convert it into blank. Now when this B will come, now it will come to this part. Okay, now this is converted into 1. Okay, and this will be converted. When B will come, it will take the left direction. This one will be converted into blank. Now you will get here 1 2 3 4 5 ones. Okay, is it clear? Excuse me. So see here, transition diagram, Q0 state. Then we want to keep reading all the ones as it is, but at least one must be there in the first number. One must be there. Keep moving towards R. Read the remaining ones of a first number. Keep moving towards the R. Okay, so here we have read first number completely, means keep the as it is and move towards the R. Okay, then which symbol will come after? Plus. Okay, when plus will come, convert it into 1 and move pointer to again R. Okay, Q2 state. Now after this plus is converted into 1. Now we want to keep the second number reading. Okay, ये जो 1 है हमें इसको B में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो एज इट इज कर सकते हैं क्या? नहीं है, तो पहले लास्ट वन हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है. सो द प्रोसीजर इज रीड द सेकेंड नंबर एज इट इज. ओके, So at least 1 must be there in the second number. Read it completely. Move towards R. Read the remaining ones of a second number. Move towards the R. Okay. Here we have come read second number. Done. Now we are at the blank. Okay. After second number, B will come. Keep the B as it is and now change the direction to L. Now here this is Q2, Q3 state, Q4 state. Okay. Then after this one Q4 state, this one. Now B के बाद हमें क्या मिलेगा? लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन में पहला वन जो मिलेगा. Okay. So whatever the first one we will get here, first one, convert it into black and stop the procedure. So here you can note the halting state. Okay, you can write this way also. Accept. Okay, so this is the Turing machine which accepts the or we perform the addition of two unary number. So unary number means having only one's digit. Okay, let's take here 1 as a digit of the unary number. Then if we have this input 2 3 comma 2, so 3 plus 2, this will be the input current initial configuration of a tape. We have to convert this initial configuration into this one. Okay, because 3 plus 2 means 5, so 5 1 should appear on the tape after the processing. Now the logic is very simple for this one. Keep the first number as it is, then convert the plus into 1, keep moving towards R, then second number as it is read karna hai. When B comes, change the direction to L. Okay, that is nothing but this. First one, convert it into B and stop the procedure. Same logic we implemented in terms of the diagram. Processing starts at Q0. Now here it has read the first number. 1 1 is compulsory, so we have taken here separate transition from Q0 to Q1. Later on we use the self loop for the remaining ones. Then when plus will come, convert it into 1. Then Q2. When the second number starts 1, this Q3 state, remaining ones self loop is taken. When B will come, change the direction to L. Now here the rightmost end is identified. So from rightmost end, if you start to reading towards the left side, you will get the first one, which is nothing but the rightmost symbol, and we have to convert that rightmost one into blank and stop the procedure and accept the string. So this way we can perform the addition of two unary number. Thank you all.